Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the 200 assistant officers vacancies from the Ministry of Home Affairs from the Intelligence Bureau, and the eligibility is any graduate. So it is a very good news to the candidates who are looking for the government jobs. So why? Because the qualification is any graduate can apply irrespective of your specializations and the branches, and these are all the permanent posts. And while coming to the salary is the level 7, that is you may get approximately in between 44,900 to 1,42,400 in the pay matrix, plus admissible central government allowances also will be provided. So let us see the details regarding this notification. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that the Unacademy is providing the complete course for the UGC NET paper 1 as well as the paper 2 electronic science, and the details regarding this course is provided at the end of this video. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator for the subject NTA UGC NET electronic science as well as the general paper 1. If you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon. Then you are going to get all my updates and videos as the immediate notifications to your devices. I started one Facebook account, guys. So, and I provided this link in the description box of this video. So please join into this group. So here the group name is Your Mentor, just same as this YouTube channel name. So in this group also, here all the advertisements regarding the assistant professor, teachers and the PhD notifications I posted here. So you will get, or else you will be having a look on all the posts at a glance here. Okay, so join into this group that I provided the link in the description box. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is the official website of the Ministry of Home Affairs. So I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So from this website, how you can access the online application link and how to go to the in detail notification that I will show to you. So once after entering into the official website of this Ministry of Home Affairs, whatever the link I am providing in the description box of this video. So I also kept my Telegram group channel link in the description box of this video. So if you want to get the immediate notifications, then you may join in my group. Okay, so now after entering into this official website, here you can check down the recruitment to the post of ACIO to EXE in IB. Then here the download link is there. So click on this link. Okay, then you will be directed to the one external website. Okay, so that is this one. Candidates are advised to copy the following link. So here don't click on this link. Okay, why? Because if you click on this link, it will not open. So you will get like this. Okay, the page cannot be found. So what you have to do is that you have to copy this one. Okay, so after copying only you will get the you will be entering into the official website. So first copy this one, and after copying paste somewhere in the browser, then you will be directed like this. Okay, so Intelligence Bureau, Ministry of Home Affairs and Government of India. So first we will check the important dates here. So opening date of online registration of application 19th December 2020, and the closing date of submission of application with submission of online application fee through debit or credit or net banking is 9th January 2021, and the last date of submission of application fee through SBI Chalana 12th January 2021. Okay, so here the few instructions are given here. First we will see the in detail notification. So for detailed notification or advertisement, click here. So if you click here, then you will be directed to the detailed notification. So you can check down here the Information Bureau, Ministry of Home Affairs, Assistant Central Intelligence Officer Grade 2, Executive Examination 2020, and online applications are invited from Indian nationals for direct recruitment to the post of Assistant Central Intelligence Officer Grade 2, and applications are advised to go through all parameters under different paras and sub-paras mentioned below. And you can check down the description of post. Okay, General Central Service Group C, non-gazetted and non-ministerial. So number of approximate vacancies under the unreserved category 989 and EWS 113, OBC 417, SC 360, SC 121. The total 2000 posts are there. And the level 7 is the pay matrix, and apart from this salary we are going to get some allowances as per the central government. And the special security allowance at the rate 20% of the basic pay will be available, and the cash compensation in lieu of duty performed on holidays. Okay, so these are all the permanent posts. And coming to the essential qualification, graduation or equivalent from a recognized university, and the desirable qualification, knowledge of computers. So coming to the age limit, 18 to 27 years, and 5 years relaxable for the SC/ST and 3 years for the OBC candidates. Okay, and upper age limit is relaxable for departmental candidates up to 40 years of age who have rendered the 3 years of regular and continuous service. And the age limit is relaxable up to the age of 35 years for general candidates and up to 40 years for SC/ST in case of widows, divorced women, and women judicially separated from their husbands and not remarried. And the age limit is relaxable for ex-servicemen as well as for the candidates who have domiciled in J&K, Jammu and Kashmir from January 1, 1980 to December 31st, 1989. And the age limit is relaxable up to maximum 5 years to the meritorious sports person. So these are all the age limitations, so you may check down. And now while coming to the center of examinations, okay, so all over the India the center of examinations are there, so you can check down the different states. So whatever the state you are and which place is nearer to you, so you can choose that examination center from this table. And while filling the online application form, you have to carefully decide your choice city of examination. Okay, and candidates can be accommodated in any one of the 3 examination cities opted. Okay, and while coming to the scheme of the examination, the written examination will be there, that is the tier 1, only online mode. Total 100 MCQs will be there, and it is divided into the 5 categories. Each and every category contains the 20 questions of 1 mark each. So general awareness, quantitative aptitude, and numerical, analytical, logical ability and reasoning, English language and general studies. Here the negative marking is also there, 1/4 mark of the each wrong answer. Okay, so tier 1 is 1 hour and 100 marks, and tier 2 is a descriptive type of paper of 50 marks, that is essay 30 marks and English comprehension and precise writing 20 marks. So total time is 1 hour and the marks is 50. Okay. So interview, that is the tier 3, for the interview 100 marks. So total you can check down the 250 marks for tier 100, tier 250 and the tier 300. So 250 marks are there. And the selection of candidates, the candidate has to appear in tier 1 at the one of the 3 centers allotted. There will be a negative marking of 1/4 of each wrong answer. Okay, and in order to achieve the qualitative selection and recruit the best available talent, there will be cutoff marks out of 100 in tier 1 as under. So for unreserved 35 and OBC or EWS 34 and SC/ST 33. So on the basis of performance and normalization of marks in tier 1, the candidates will be shortlisted to the tier 2 at 10 times the number of vacancies subject to the candidates scoring the minimum cutoff. Okay, so on the basis of their combined performance in tier 1 and tier 2, the candidates will be shortlisted for the tier 3, that is interview, at the rate 5 times of the number of vacancies, subject to the condition that the candidate secures minimum 33%, that is 17 out of 50 in the tier 2. Okay, so based on the combined performance in all the 3 types, the candidate would be shortlisted for the final selection. The date, time and center of tier 2 and tier 3 would be intimated to the successful candidates of the tier 1 by email given by them in the online application form. Tier 2 and tier 3 may not be conducted at all the centers. Okay, the department reserves the right to conduct at any center by clubbing the candidates of nearby centers. And the candidates would be required to adhere to the instructions contained in the call letter or card letter of tier 1, tier 2 and tier 3. So these are the cases. So how to apply means application should be submitted only through online registration. So that is available in this, you can go through this website itself, or else you may click on this one. Candidates can apply the post provided they fulfill. Okay, and the application portal will be operational from 19th December 2020 to 9th January 2021, and after that will not be accepted. Okay, some steps to apply are also given here. So I will provide this link, this website link, in the description box of this video. So you may check down all the detailed instructions very carefully. And here the few more instructions are given here for filling up of the online application form. So after checking up all these things, then you have just sign up for registration. Through that one, you can start filling the online application form. Okay. So these are the details regarding the vacancies. Okay, so it is a wonderful opportunity, so please try to utilize. And to get the more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, and share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so please listen guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I am going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, right? So it is my referral code guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these 2 courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine guys, so please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions, and all the best guys. Thank you very much.